boy been sick, man. Glasses got a glare in it. Your boy been sick. What they used to say, toe back from the flow back. I don't even know what the hell that means, you know what I'm saying? But it sounds good, you know what I'm talking about? So, today is actually the first day that I feel a little bit better than amazing. Because I've been feeling disrespectfully bad. That's a word, ain't it? Anywho's, man. Last week I was uploading content like crazy. I'm back to my groove basically or whatever, but me getting sick, man, I haven't uploaded a video I think in 4, today makes day 5. But welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title, I'm about to delete all my videos, delete all my footage, and start from scratch. And y'all probably thinking like, fool, what the hell are you talking about? What the heck wrong with you? Why are you deleting all the content? Well, I'm not deleting all my content. All my content on YouTube is pretty much going to be there. There's going to be certain videos that... Excuse me. That bitch crept up on me. There's going to be certain videos that I keep up. For the last couple of years, I actually been already doing is deleting videos and stuff like that. But certain videos I am going to delete. But what I really mean is, for the most part, all the footage that I have right now that I have not uploaded, I'm literally just thinking about just deleting everything because I'm like, oh, let me post this. I have to post this first before I post that, but I'm ready to post this. And I try to keep everything in sequence, and then it's just like y'all see something that y'all not supposed to see. It's like, so at this point, man, I'm not talking about YouTube. I'm talking about on my SD and on my USB drives. I'm thinking about just deleting all that stuff, man, and just starting from scratch so I can start from this point on and just upload. I got old videos. I got budget content videos. I have a lot of stuff. It's all out of sequence, and it's driving me crazy. I have literally footage from my shop off of Crenshaw and 48th. So I'm asking y'all, what do you guys think? I want to say my only option right now, if I do post this stuff, it's taking too long to post this stuff in sequence. My only option is to just upload everything. It's going to look crazy because I don't know where all the footage is at. So everything's going to be like a partial video. I'll upload a video, and then I'll be like, damn, I found the footage. So it's not going to even really make sense is what I'm trying to explain. So now basically what I've been doing is if it's a full swap or whatever that I'm doing, if it's a full or any card that comes in and I'm doing a job on it, I get one USB and I record everything on that one USB and I upload it. That's why the Monte Carlo flowed nicely. That's why the Black Impala flowed nicely or whatnot. The El Camino, the white El Camino, I messed up on that one because I don't know where the content is at on that one. I swore I had footage, but I guess I didn't. But that's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm really thinking about just. I sound like Beyonce. Y'all remember that? I've been drinking. You know what I'm saying? I've been thinking, or I think she said I've been drinking. It's drunken love, or whatever. I don't know, but man, look, I've been thinking. That tax money coming in hot, and I want you. Da da. Remix, you want that can for your Chevy, and I want you. Da da. Who wanna swap? We swapping all night. My bad, bro. This is my first day feeling good, man. I be getting a little sidetracked sometime, man. Wow. Hey, if y'all don't know what song that is, I'm gonna leave it in the link in the I'm gonna leave the link in the comments pinned or somewhere, or I'm gonna leave it in the bio. If y'all know about that Beyonce, I call her Beyonce, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like Beyonce a crip at her, so I call her Beyonce, you know what I'm saying? That song bang. Anywho's off topic, man. I know I'm getting back to myself because, boy, I can't stop smiling. I feel so damn good. Y'all think I'm playing, man? Let me learn you something. I don't take no medicine. I've been in here off this. I've been up in here off this. I don't know where my Starbucks medicine ball at. I had my Starbucks medicine ball. I had these little freaking this. Man, I've been having a little bit of everything, man. I just went to the store. I've been eating these dirty ass grapes like this. Just peel one off. I know I'm supposed to wash them, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Bop. 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 Man, I ain't gonna lie, man. I just went and bought a gang of stuff, man. I don't really want to eat no... I really don't want to eat no hard foods right now. So I'm just gonna eat like a gang of fruits and stuff. And then I lost a gang of weight too. Like a lot of weight. My stomach was hella bloated for no reason. Y'all don't care about me being sick. Y'all, I know y'all don't fuck with me like that. Y'all. Back to the video. Back to the topic. Stay on topic. Y'all know I be having to channel my energy to focus on one thing, man. I be all over the place, just like my videos. But do your boy Big Solid, man. Leave a comment. I apologize for being gone so long. It's only been a week, but I was posting back to back, so it was feeling good, like I was back in my groove. So I do apologize for that, but leave it in the content. Leave it in the comments. Let me know if you guys want me to post stuff out of order. I can get y'all a lot of content uploaded. I am going to start uploading YouTube shorts like crazy. If you guys don't follow me, I pinky swear, go to TikTok. I'm about to start uploading everywhere. Instagram, I suck on. I only post on my story every so often. I'm trying to do better on posting on all my social medias, but I just be it's a one-man show. I try to hire people sometime, whatever, and it don't work out. It's not that I don't want to hire nobody. It just I don't know. I don't work well with people. People like to do stuff their own way, and I show them like, no, this is the way I like to do it. So if it's a problem, I know we both doing stuff the same way or whatever. But some people, they not as. I like my stuff to be like I zip tie stuff to pull them. I don't know how to explain it or whatever. Basically, I like my shit to look neat. Some people be like, just get it running and get it out. I'm not doing that. Hell no. Nah. Especially if they paying top dollar. Some people still be like, man, just get it done and get it out. I'm not doing that. That's why it be taking me so long to do the swaps. Speaking of swaps, first thing first, let me know in the comments if y'all want me just to delete all my footage and start fresh and y'all can get content ASAP, or do y'all want me to just start throwing shit up and hopefully it makes sense. Speaking of swaps, the Black 96 Impala, that swap is pretty much done. It's been here about right around a month's time. Out of that month, I only worked on it maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks. It should be hitting the exhaust shop today. I will do the startup video and all that. As far as the El Camino should be hitting the exhaust shop right behind the Black 96 Impala. I might try to send both of them to the exhaust shop today. It all depends on my driver, my tow truck driver, if he can take two of them. It's gonna kind of suck because the exhaust shop is about a mile away, meaning I'm trying to even figure out how I'm gonna do this, man. I might have to just walk up there. When I send my cars to the exhaust shop, I drive them back. That means it's basically ready to go home. So I like to drive them back. And like I said, it's only a mile. As far as the El Camino, that one has to get towed there and towed back. It has foot suspension. It needs to get a wheel alignment. So I don't want to drive that car until it has a wheel alignment or whatnot. And that's pretty much all I got here. Once them 3 cars is going, what'd I say, 2 cars? I have the IROC here. He should be picking that up any day soon. My job is basically complete already and ready to go. You guys already seen the fire up on that. Last car I will be able to focus on is Jesse Brew's 70s. I don't know, 75, whatever year that Corvette is. I have Jesse Brew Corvette here that I can actually focus on as well. It's a 428, all forged internals, stroked out, LSA supercharger. Just on the motor, I believe the machine shop said bills that he seemed like that. They're making $650, $680 or something like that. Just not at the wheels, at the motors, which will makes perfect sense. I mean, LS7 is a 7-liter, and that makes $505 at the motor. So $650, seems ideal. With the supercharger, I don't know, dude. I could see that thing making it easy. It's gonna make some good power. I'm thinking maybe like 850, maybe 900 horses. I told Jesse I'm not driving it. I don't want to drive it. That car is fiberglass, and it just take the wrong amount of throttle for that damn thing to make a U-turn. I don't want to be responsible for it. So I told him he can come down and drive it and test it out. That's one car I refuse to drive. Anywho's, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I got a lot of good stuff coming for you guys, and he's back. No, I'm just playing. Get it sexy. My bad. Boy, you know your ass super fat. I feel good as hell, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I can't explain to you guys how good I feel, man. I don't get sick at all. When I say I don't get sick, I don't get sick. But when I get sick, I get sick. So, man, I was up in here, man, praying. Mama, I love you. P.O.P. hold it down.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. hold it down. Right, these all good pimps, boy, baby, for life.
I thought I was be out for the count, man. I was about to go to the hospital, man. I don't mess with the hospital at all, like none, zero, whatever. So all I did was I just kept keeping myself hydrated or whatnot, and I couldn't eat nothing. It was bad, man. Like it was bad, man. I woke up and drenched in sweat. My hair was sweating. It wasn't good. It wasn't good, G. But I feel good. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Make sure y'all take care of your health. Everybody out there that got projects, man. Everybody that got projects. Spring break is here. If you ain't got to work, G. If you don't have to work, get cracking on your stuff. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me see. I want to give a shout out to somebody. Let me see who this is. I want to give a shout out to my boy. Damn, I knew you was gonna have one of them crazy ass names too, man. Michael. I'm gonna just say Michael Cottonham. Damn, I hope I say your name right, G. So if y'all look right here, y'all see that? I want to show all this information. LS Swap wine harness in excuse me. LS Swap wine harness in a bass tune. He got it in before April 1st, so he got it in for the Lowskis. So Big Mike, I appreciate you for grabbing your harness or whatever and getting that bass tune. You ain't sent me your computer yet. I ain't got it. Send me your computer. Once your computer come in, I'll send that thing back to you. And I ain't gonna make this video no longer than it has to be because I'm sure y'all not gonna watch it all the way through. But grape. Nah, that one don't look good. Grape. Likes are actually so love, man. Hit the thumbs down if your only ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper, because my broke ass got to get mine. A week without work. A week without editing. A week without invoices. I got a lot of work in my hand. I'm out at you. Peace.